Hello folks, it was an eerily quiet day in the markets with SoundHound barely budging and having one of the lowest volatility days in weeks. The Nasdaq was quiet until the close when huge selling pressure came in and there was a steep sell-off. This week is a shortened trading week with Friday close, so I'm not sure whether it's just noise or whether the market is actually looking weak. There was euphoria on Thursday last week when Jay Powell got on the podium, but the rally was very short-lived. Are we in for a broader stock market correction? I actually think so. I'll talk about why and what that means for SoundHound in this video. Before we begin, most of you are not subscribed, so please hit that like and subscribe button to get instant updates when I post SoundHound videos. And also, I'm not a financial advisor, so take all my content with a grain of salt and seek professional financial advice if you need to. Let's first go over today's price action for SoundHound. We gapped up a little, and whilst there was some interest from buyers in the morning, it fizzled out as the day progressed, and we actually ended the day slightly down. Some might say that this is bad, but at least we're still sort of hugging the $6 price level. Not much on the news front today, but again, we are still waiting for that top 15 restaurant announcement, which should come any day now. But what has me a little worried is the current broader market action. It feels like the market is sort of slowing down despite bullish sentiment coming from the Fed last week. Is it because market participants are already in holiday mode, or is it because the market is gearing up to go down further? I think it's a combination of both, but just looking at the weakness of certain market leaders like Apple and Tesla leads me to believe that there is a correction coming this week or next. Let's take a look at Apple. Just looking at its chart, we can see that it's been trending down the past few months despite the broader market going up. And Apple is still a huge company, being the second biggest stock in both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100. So if Apple begins to crumble, it's going to have a negative effect on the indexes too. Even if we look at current leaders like Nvidia, the price action just looks a little bit extended and toppy. You can see that Nvidia has failed to reach an all-time high after the GTC conference, so we're actually beginning to see signs of buy the rumor, sell the news. If Nvidia has another down day tomorrow, I think we can expect further downside to around 800. Now, what does this all mean for SoundHound? Well, I have been saying that we need the broader market to keep going up for SoundHound to follow. So if the broader market falls, is this bad for SoundHound? Well, it could very well be negative for SoundHound, but if it were to hold its line and stay within this consolidation box, that would be a huge bullish signal, and at that point, I might even entertain the thought of buying more shares. Of course, this is not financial advice, but if the market falls and SoundHound stays still or even goes up, it would be a very good sign for the bulls. So look, my outlook for the broader market over the next 2 weeks is bearish. But it doesn't necessarily mean that SoundHound will go down along with it. I could also be totally wrong and the market just keeps going higher. If that were the case, we could expect SoundHound to follow. Now, yes, we do have the PCE report coming out on Friday, which is a holiday, so we'll see the market reaction the following Monday, but no doubt it'll be volatile. And if the inflation number comes out hotter than expected, expect the market as a whole to sell off sharply. But regardless, I'm still holding my SoundHound shares. Are you still holding? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to click like and subscribe for daily SoundHound updates. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.